Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting CSV files into IBM Statistics save file. So you can see on my computer I have a My Band Data CSV, and I have a CSV viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of CSV files and allow me to export into different format. And you can see it has there is a bank data stored into CSV. It contains date, amount, status and number, empty columns, PE column, and category column. I'm gonna import all this data into SPS statistics, but before I will convert this file into SAV file, which is original file for statistic. I also can open CSV into just open with Notepad just to show you what is inside. This is how data look like. This is like normal CSV, comma separated data file. So I'll go to my website and download applications. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into the description. To find application, I click on search and type SPSS. And I need to create a SPSS save file, and I will click CSV to SPSS link, and then click on download to start downloading. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on SPSS formats and converting to and from different formats into SPSS and from SPSS into different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, we're waiting for archive to be downloaded. It's a relatively small file. I'll just click on it to open. Double click on MSI inside the archive to start installation and click more info on this screen. And now I'm getting the screen from Microsoft because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application, I have a new shortcut on my desktop and application has been installed on my computer. Now I can close this and this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 I have to select CSV file I'd like to convert. So I click on this button, navigate to My Bank Data CSV, just click on open and click on next step. Here, if CSV file contains, first row contains column names, which is normally the case, I will keep it checked. Now, here I can select which fields I want to convert. If I want to convert all of them, I just select all. But I know that status and number and memo, those are just empty columns, so I don't want them to import into statistics. I'll just leave 4 columns checked, click on next and click on run on final step. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name, location, CSV to SPS is okay. I just click save. And when file has been saved, let's open IBM Statistics and open this file. It's CSV to SPSS. Yeah, so we will wait until it's loaded. And then here I can close this, click on open, navigate into my documents and find my CSV to SPSS file, save file, and just click open. And you can see data has been opened and 4 columns I checked with date, amount, and category. Everything has been imported. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Thank you.